Today I'm going to be reviewing Vonktic's EDC mini flashlight up to 500 lumens. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. This little mini flashlight is awesome. First of all, little clip on the back. You can clip it onto a flat pocket right here, turn it on and use it hands-free. It also has the head right here that can spin out, and this also turns around 360. So to turn it on, you've got your EDC lights and your regular light up here. That is going to be there, and you can adjust it lighter and flashing right there and then off. On these, you're going to get 3 different versions. You're going to get just the regular light, LED light. You're going to get a red one. You can get a blue one, and then you kind of get like that flashing police light. If you charge it, it takes about 3.5 hours, which will give you 6 to 13 hours of usage. The beam at its brightest on here will go up to 90 meters. This is IP68 waterproof, so if you're wearing it on your shirt and it's raining out, it's not going to ruin it. Giving you an idea of the size, here is a mouse. So it's smaller than a mouse, very tiny, very convenient, and very light. To charge it, just use USB-C, and it does come with a cord. And finally, on the bottom, it is magnetic, so you can just place it on anywhere. What I love about it, it is an Amazon choice with 4.5 stars. And last month, 600 plus of these were bought. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.